Everyone is obsessed with NVIDIA, but while the world fought over GPUs in 2024 and 2025, one company was quietly building the entire foundation for 2026. I'm talking about Broadcom, ticker symbol AVGO. Today I'm going to show you why the stock is the ultimate own for 2026. Even if people tell you it's too expensive, we are diving into the chart, the insane dividend growth, and the $100 billion OpenAI deal you can't ignore. Look at the shift. In 2021, Broadcom was a diversified chip company. By 2026, nearly half of their revenue is driven by AI. Custom silicon. They aren't just selling chips, they are co-designing the brains of the world's largest data centers. The network moat. As AI clusters get bigger, the bottleneck isn't the chip, it's the connection. Broadcom's Ethernet tech is the only thing keeping these massive LLMs running. VMware. This wasn't just an acquisition, it was a transformation. They turned VMware into a high-margin software machine that provides predictable recurring cash flow. I know what you're thinking, the PE is too high, but let's look at the forward numbers. The analysts are projecting earnings per share to jump to $18.5 to $19 by fiscal 2027. When you factor in that growth, the expensive stock today looks like a bargain tomorrow. We've seen a healthy consolidation after the split, and 2026 is looking like the year the valuation gap closes as the software and AI segments fire on all cylinders. Is there risk? Of course there's risk. If Google or Meta slows down, AVGO takes a hit. But with a $100 billion backlog and a pole position in custom AI, Broadcom is the most de-risked way to play the next phase of the AI cycle. My verdict, buy the dips and hold through 2026. If you enjoy videos like this, then please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the Trading Simplified channel, and I'll see you in the next video.